Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here. And before we get started, let's get the shout-outs out of the way. Today's shout-out goes to Tom Lewis. Tom was first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus wins a shout-out. So what do we got here today? This is the new Syma Z3, also known as the D1650WH. What is the Z3? Well, it is a folding drone. Let's unfold it right away here so that you can see it. It unfolds very easily, like so. Just open up the arms and put it up again and show it to you. Very unique looking little drone. Now, what's so special about it? Why was I interested in reviewing it? Well, mainly it supposedly has optical flow sensor, but I am not seeing such in this particular drone. I think this is a prototype that they sent out before they actually installed the optical flow sensor, because there's the port where the optical flow sensor would go. So, in effect, Syma sent me this. This is an advanced copy of this Z3, but it is not complete yet. It is not finished yet. They haven't put an optical flow in on this. At least I don't see one in there where that belly would be. But what else do we got on this? We do have a 720p HD camera, which transmits video to your phone via HD Wi-Fi. 720p HD Wi-Fi. We have this proprietary battery, 3.7 volt, 500 milliampere hour proprietary battery that slides in like so. And other than that, a very cool looking drone with there's your on-off switch on the top. Okay, let's go over the controller. It has two buttons on the left here which do nothing for this particular drone, but the two buttons on the right, this one here is for doing flips and then telling which direction to flip with your right control stick. This one here is automatic takeoff and automatic landing. The right stick is your pitch and roll, and if you press into it, it changes the speeds, the rates of the drone. And if you hold it down for 2 seconds, it enters into headless mode. And finally, if you want to start and stop the motors, you just bring both sticks down and inboard like so. So that's it, very basic. Let's go for a flight of this thing and see how it performs. Hope you enjoy this flight. Okay, this is the Syma FPV app, available on Google Play and iTunes. And right now, I want to switch to video camera mode on the left there. And then we're going to hit record. And video is recording. And we're going to move both sticks down and inboard to start the motors. And then give it throttle to take to the air. And notice it's drifting. Again, there is no optical flow on this particular drone, but there is planned in the future. Let's try the trim. I believe to trim I'm going to push into this left stick. And then tell it which direction I want it to trim, and press again, and then it's untrimmed. Okay, let's try out the camera. We're just going to fly it manually. This will be cool once it has optical flow. It looks great. And going up to the left, over here, plopping it there, turn it toward me, and the range there, it seems to be about 30 meters coming overhead. So let's bring it down here, because I haven't tried something yet. Lowering the throttle. Coming down. And plopping it there and saying, "How you like my shirt today, folks?" Very important. Showing the shirt off. Okay, let's bring it around. It does fly nicely, though. Yeah, once they throw in optical flow in this should be pretty cool. Let's try the flip. Okay, got to hold the flip button down. Yeah, you got to hold it down. So let's bring it around. Pretty cool flipper. That is pretty cool. Okay, let's turn it around. Let's go to higher rate. Intermediate. Is there expert? No. Beginner and intermediate. Let's try it. Max yaw. That's its yaw. That's its funnels. How about maneuverability in that? See if I can get a running start here on the. Yeah, it did. On a roll. I like to do rolls. Try it again. So, you know, just right now is just a fun sport flyer. But soon it should be available with optical flow. I know that's going to adversely affect the sport flying ability of this drone when you got optical flow. But right now, it ain't too bad. Too bad a flyer at all. Kind of nice. Let's go up high again, show the camera. Shading my eyes from the sun, and then coming back down again, reducing throttle. Nice flyer. Fun little sport drone. Now I got some other drones that I got from Syma recently. We're going to try them out here in the near future, shielding my eyes from the sun. But one of them it's not labeled Syma, it's Quadcopter GPS. So keep an eye out for that one here in the near future. And let's try the camera out again. Okay, I've done videos. See my legs there and my sandals. Let's come out of video. And right now we're going to switch to camera mode. And where's the front of that thing? Taking a picture. I think it's taking pictures. And let's see if I can trim this. Not too much. Not as trimmed as I wanted it to be. Okay, that's enough pictures. Let's start up that video camera again. I gotta switch video camera mode. Go like that. Now we'll start the recording. Sync up the cameras. Wait a minute here. That's how I sync it up. So, nice flying drone. The altitude hold works real well in this. Watch how it comes back to its original altitude if it loses any altitude during a flip. Let's show those flips up again, up close again. Pretty cool, huh? So, you know, right now it's a sport flyer, but soon it'll be a camera bird once they put on the optical flow. You know what else would be cool if they throw on this particular drone is an SD card reader to avoid any Wi-Fi lag from the video. It's a long flyer. You know, I've been flying for quite a bit here. So, not too bad in the flight time with that generic battery. That thing was only, was that a 1,000 milliamp or a 500? We'll pull it out one more time after I land here because I'm getting a lot of flight time out of this. No blinking lights yet? No blinking lights. Let's go over here. Okay, that seems to be its range right there. And when it goes out of range, what's it do? Oh, it came back into range. I think I got control of it again. But I haven't tried that. That's a good point. Okay, let's stop the video. We're going to do a little science experiment here. Slow it down and come down lower, and then turn off the transmitter. 1001, 1002, 1003. The lights are blinking and it lands itself. So that's what it does on lost contact, lost signal. Rebooting. Can I start the motors again? Yep. And away we go. That was easy enough. So it lands itself on lost signal. That's good. Starting to get sluggish. Feeling a little sluggish now. So I don't know how much more flight time we got. Are the lights blinking on the front there? Let's bring it in close and find out. Nope. Still no blinking. Those are red in the front and green in the back. See those lights? So you can see them. They're green in the front, or in the back, red in the front. Bring it out closer and show it to you there. But again, this would be where the optical flow sensor is going to go, I guess, eventually in this thing, once they install it. But let's get some thumbnails here while we're here. This is a nice way to get a thumbnail. Okay, am I recording video again? Let's start video recording again. Video is recording, syncing it back up again. Lights are blinking. I don't know if it's blinking because video is recording or if the battery's getting weak. But we'll go up and over, and it's coming down. That's the battery. That's our flight time, folks. So stop the recording, and there we go. So the Syma Z3 coming out soon, I guess, with optical flow in the future. Right now it's just a sport drone, but it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed this flight. This is Quadcopter 101 signing out.